So tonight I'm going to present to you a presentation on how to create a Flipgrid video. It's a fairly new technology application that teachers are using in the classroom and pretty much all subject areas that implement higher order thinking skills. And it really gets kids just talking about the subject and incorporating technology into the lesson. So it all sums up that you get started with Flipgrid in 3 simple steps, which are joining the discussion, creating the video related to the class prompt, and submitting the video. And we're going to go further into each step. So joining the discussion. So as an educator, you will be getting your students to join the discussion. You will create a profile, and it's free to sign up, and there are different levels of membership that you can pay for, so much per month or year, to kind of open up more options for you and your students. But you post a question in your class. Usually teachers have it as a higher order thinking question. And you'll receive a code. It's usually, I want to say, 6 digits, mixture of letters and numbers. And you will send this to your students. You can either present it in your classroom, write it down, or if you have high school kids, you can send it to their district email. It's free for students to sign up to. So then once they have that special code, they then have access to the class and be able to start their video. So once the students are able to log into your class with the special code, they will then be able to create their video. And typically the Flipgrid videos can be up to 15 minutes. And the students will also be able to edit their videos. There can be different color. It can be black and white if they wanted to. They can add text to their videos, like text boxes. They can add emojis or stickers. And you also can, and I should have mentioned this in the first step, but you can also post the question for this higher order thinking question as a video that you record yourself. And then the last step is submitting the video. Once their edits are made, all they do is click submit. Once they click submit, they take a selfie. So you'll know which student submitted the video. And then also, once the video posts, their classmates and you will be able to post comments, and the higher order thinking skills begin for the class. And the students can either post a video discussion or just type their response to the submitted videos. And I hope that, like I said, that's it. I hope that this is a good presentation that's easy to understand, and I hope you enjoy using Flipgrid in your class.